I'm a real bitch, real niggas fuck with me. If I ain't sent for you, bitch, then don't come for me. Yeah, I'm getting money, ho, I'm living comfortably. You not a G and took a LY cause you ugly. I'm petty, it's fun to me.
Hey guys, so this is going to be a really quick video just showing you guys the new rumors I have heard from Apple new products that's going to be launching later on this year. So yes, so as you guys can see, I will insert a few images that I have seen leaked around the internet, and of course I'm mostly excited about the iPhone X Plus. You guys, of course I had the iPhone X. I love the phone. It was just a little too small for my liking. I'm so excited for all of these different sizes. Of course, the 6.5 is the one I'm going to be so in love with, of course. So, you guys, the iPhone X Plus supposedly is going to have a 6.5-inch display. So, really, you can kind of think about the iPhone X Plus as the iPhone 8 Plus, just a full display, but a little bigger. I'm so excited about that, you guys. So it's supposed to feature a resolution of 1242 by 2688. Oh my God, you guys, the display is going to be absolutely gorgeous. These are some of the features on the iPhone X. So of course, the same thing would be on the iPhone X Plus, but better. I'm so excited about the different sizes. That is the one thing that I definitely did not like about my iPhone X when I had it. But of course, these are pictures of the iPhone 9, supposedly. These are just rumors that are going to offer different colors like orange, red, blue, black, white, supposedly, of course, for the iPhone X Plus as well. But like I said, these are all just rumors. We shall see. Now, supposedly, the iPhone X will support the iPad-like landscape mode, which I'm definitely excited about that as well, you guys. But I'm definitely excited more if these colors are definitely going to be true. Now, there's going to be an iPhone 9, an iPhone X newer version, supposedly, and of course, the iPhone X Plus. Now, as we get closer to September release of the new iPhone models, we will see for sure what is a go and what's not. I'm definitely feeling the size for the iPhone X Plus is definitely going to give me that feel of my iPhone 8 Plus. Of course, if you're used to using the 8 Plus, as you guys know, the size difference is going to be a big change. Now, supposedly the iPhone 9s are going to have a lot of different colors as well. But like I said, we shall see. These are all just rumors. Now, another rumor I heard is that there's supposed to be an Apple Pencil that is going to be compatible with the iPhone X's, but we don't know that for sure. One thing I'm definitely worried about is the price, because I know with the iPhone X, when I bought it, it was over $1,000, and I'm sure if the Plus is coming out that the price is going to be a little higher, because anytime you get any versions like this supposedly gold edition X Plus, I'm sure it's going to be way higher, and especially if you're going to jump to the 256 gig instead of the, you know, basic 64. I definitely wish Apple would come out with these beautiful colors as I've seen leaked, the red and the blue and the white and the black and the beautiful gold. But like I said, these are all just rumors. The iPhone 9 colors right here, and of course the other colors you've seen before. So that's pretty much it. I hope the price do not be extremely high for the phone. I really wish they would bring back the 128 gigabyte, but who knows? Apple do things at their own pace. I think the 64, the 128, and the 256 was really good for people to have a lot of different options versus just 64 and 256. So, of course, I'm definitely going for the iPhone X Plus. Let me know which phone you guys would purchase, if you would get the iPhone 9, the new version of the iPhone X, or the iPhone X Plus. I definitely want to know what phones you guys have right now. Leave it and drop it down below in the comments. So, yes, I just wanted to do this really quick video just to share my thoughts and opinions and share my little rumors and pictures that I've seen leaking over the internet. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. And that's pretty much it. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys. Mwah.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect.